Hi everybody, Mr. D here in a new chapter called, what is this chapter called anyway? Proportions and Functions, chapter 5, 6, 7. This is on page 96, number 13. Pay attention. At Maple Valley High School, there are 850 secondary students in secondary 1 and 2 combined. The school organized a school dance. How lovely is this? We've got another school dance. Bring on your dancing shoes. Of the total number of students, 60% of the students are in secondary 1. 2/3 of the students in secondary 1 went to the dance. 70% of the students in secondary 2 went to the dance. How many students in all did not go to the dance? This sounds like a question that you don't have one step. You don't have 2 steps, which is usually double fun. You have 3 steps, which is, let me hear you, triple the fun. So here goes. First step, I'm gonna put, of the total number of students, 60%, right away, 60%, 60 over 100. 60%, whatever percent, you put that percent over 100. You know this new formula. Percent over 100 is equal to part over whole. Part, whole, part, whole. And yes, get your mind out of the gutter. 60 over 100 is equal to, now because there's so many variables in here, I'm gonna put something like sec1 on the top. Sec1 over 850. Where did I get that 850? I didn't take a random number from somewhere. I got it. Read the question. 850. So, 850 on the bottom, sec1 on the top. Part over whole. Sec1, when I cross multiply, 60 times 850 divided by 100, I get 510. I'm gonna write down, sec1 is 510. If that's 510, how do I get sec2? Sec2 is 850 minus 510. I get 340. This is how I have to show my work. Show your work. How many times do I have to say it? Okay, second step, ladies and gentlemen. I read the next part. 2/3 of the students in secondary 1 went to the dance. Went to the dance. I fumbled on my words. I got all excited in my dance. Who's gonna ask who in the dance? It's so exciting. 2/3, I write 2/3. 2 on the top, 3 on the bottom. 2 numerator, 3 denominator is equal to. Sec1 dance is the part, 510 is the whole. And then I'm gonna cross multiply. 510 times 2 divided by 3. Sec1 dance, 340. If there are 340 students dancing, I wonder how many students are not dancing. So what am I gonna do? I'll take 3 dots like that, it means therefore. 510 minus 340 equals to, please just get me over here, a little bit of exercise, oh my God. I'm getting ready for the dance. 170, that means sec1 did not dance, I've got 170. I've just finished the second step. Now I'm on to the third and final step. 70% of the students in secondary 2 went to the dance. So 70 over 100 right away. Sec2 over 340. Okay, that 340, I got that from this step over here. I do 340 times 70 divided by 100. I've got sec2 dance is 238. Those that did not dance, 340 minus 238 is 102. 102 students did not dance in secondary 2. 170 students did not dance in secondary 1. How many students did not dance? What do? Usually in math, you either add, subtract, multiply, divide. Just add them. 170 plus 102 is 272 students did not dance. Please, from now on, go dancing.